Good morning! Ngayon ay pag-aaralan natin ang asymptote sa fractional function, specifically horizontal asymptote. So, definition, the horizontal line x is equal to b is a horizontal asymptote of a function f if f of x gets closer to b as x increases or decreases without bound. So, ang horizontal asymptote natin dito ay itong line na ito. So, this is our horizontal asymptote kung saan lumalapit ang ating graph but hindi nagto-touch. So, how we can find the horizontal asymptote? First, compare the degree of the numerator n and the degree of the denominator t. So, dito na-represent natin yung numerator as, yung degree ng numerator as n at yung degree ng denominator as t. So first, if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, the horizontal asymptote sy is equal to 0. Second, if the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator, the horizontal asymptote of the ratio of the leading coefficient of the numerator a to the leading coefficient of the denominator b, that is, y is equal to a over b. And third, if the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, there is no horizontal asymptote. Let's have example number 1. F of x is equal to 4x minus 6 all over x squared. So, ang degree ng ating numerator is 1. At ang degree naman ng ating denominator is 2. Therefore, we will have n is less than d, or the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. Thus, the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 0. Example number 2. F of x is equal to x plus 1 all over x minus 5. The degree of our numerator is 1, and the degree of our denominator is also 1. Thus, we have n is equal to d, or the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator. And we will get y is equal to 1 over 1. Sinasabi, pag equal ang degree ng numerator at ng denominator, kukunin natin ang leading coefficient ng ating numerator, which is a. Ito yung kalapit ng x, which is 1. Pati na rin ang ating numerator na 1. Since ang formula natin ay a over b. Thus, y is equal to 1. Therefore, the horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. Example number 3. F of x is equal to x squared minus 1 all over x plus 1. The degree of our numerator is 2, while the degree of our denominator is 1. Therefore, n is greater than d, or the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator. Thus, we can conclude that there is no horizontal asymptote. Example number 4, let's have g of x is equal to 3 plus 8x squared all over x squared minus 6. Ang degree ng ating numerator ay 2, while ang degree ng ating denominator ay 2 din. Thus, we will have n is equal to d, or the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator. By getting the leading coefficient, or yung mga number na kalapit ng ating x squared, which is 8 and 1, we will get y is equal to 8 over 1, or y is equal to 8. Thus, the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 8.